Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast, and I live here in Los Angeles, California. I'm auditioning for the role of Jeff, the fisherman. I've been fishing since I was a kid, grew up on the East Coast, and have done everything from ice fishing to surf casting in the ocean to deep sea fishing off my uncle's 50-foot cabin cruiser. I worked in the Bahamas as an ecotourism guide for a few years, did a lot of fly fishing down there for bonefish and tarpon, the occasional barracuda. And I do freshwater fly fishing out here in the Pacific Northwest, lakes and streams, bass, trout, salmon, you name it. Also done some deep sea fishing here as well. So can't get enough. Opportunity to relax, hang out with friends, family, drink a beer, and spend some time.